Hennessey Performance. I've got a special car here in front of me, a beautiful 2018 Hyper Blue Metallic Camaro ZL1. It is actually a special one though, because we've modified this to our EXORCIST package, which is 1,000 horsepower. We're really excited to show you every step of the build process as the car went through our facility. So stay tuned and let's check it out. The first step in our build process when a car arrives to Hennessey Performance is it's going to go directly to the dyno, which is right here behind me, so it can get a baseline test. This is basically to just make sure that your car is healthy and ready to be modified. So we are starting the mechanical build process of this Camaro ZL1 that's getting turned into an EXORCIST. Our technician Michael is going to be removing the supercharger. He's going to then be removing the front drive accessories, then moving on to the cylinder heads and then the camshaft. This EXORCIST package is going to be getting headers, which is going to give it a really nice sound and a little bit of extra horsepower. So in the last day, Michael has made a lot of great progress on this car. The cylinder heads are now on, the new camshaft is in, the front drive accessories are just about wrapped up, and the fuel system is all back together. And now the only thing that's left is the supercharger. The brand new supercharger is a 2.9 liter, which is a big upgrade on displacement. That basically is going to spin faster and move more air than the stock supercharger, which is in turn going to make us more power. Behind me, we've got our EXORCIST. It's mechanically done. We've got it on the dyno with one of our senior calibrators, Mike. He's working on the tune for it, adjusting everything from spark advance, timing curves, air-fuel ratios.
Hey guys, I'm Mike Carnival. I'm the calibrator here at Hennessey. I put a startup tune in the car, we get it running on the rack, we go over everything, make sure there's no leaks, and we're gonna dial in air fuel. Once I get that where I want it, then we adjust ignition timing.
EXORCIST first run from a dig during our testing process. After our little bit of warm up, this thing is, wow, that was crazy. What a car. We're out here on our track doing our final drivability and validation testing on this beautiful Hyper Blue Metallic Camaro EXORCIST. It started out life as a base ZL1 and now it is a beast, 1,000 horsepower beast. It's got an upgraded supercharger, ported and polished cylinder heads, a custom camshaft, fuel system upgrades and cooling upgrades. What we're doing in our testing process is just to make sure everything's healthy, everything's good to go. Let's see what this thing has got. Almost 140 on the back half of our track, which is a really impressive number. You've seen the car arrive, you've seen it get built, you've seen it on the dyno for the tuning process, you've seen us test it. The only thing that's left is for our customer to receive it. Stay tuned for more videos, like and subscribe. If you like this video, press the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, press the thumbs down. Let us know what you're interested in. We're excited to keep showing you a little bit more about what goes on at Hennessey Performance.